Hello everyone, this is Vrishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are looking for work from home internship and internship with job in software development domain, so this session is for you. See, this is a software development work from home internship. I have mentioned this link in below description box. This internship have provided by this step out and this is a work from home internship. The duration of this internship is 3 months and they provide the stipend 15,000 to 18,000 per month. You should apply for this internship by August 7. But I am suggesting you should apply for this internship as early as possible. See, 1000 plus applicants are already there. If you are going to good in complete internship, so they will provide a job offer with 6 lakh to 8 lakh per year package. So this is also an internship with job offer. This is a good opportunity for you. Now, your role is software development intern and the key responsibilities are first end-to-end product development. See, as a software developer, you should have a knowledge of front end as well as back end development. Then you should also create some robust, scalable and maintainable software projects. The next, innovation and performance enhancement means your complete internship. You should improve performance, scalability and maintainability regarding a particular product or the project. And the important thing is their requirement. So you should have completed bachelor or master degree in computer science or any equivalent stream. So basically, this internship is for pass out student who have a degree in computer science, information technology, AIML, AIDS branch or BCA MCA stream also. The main thing is you should have a proficiency in React.js, React Native, HTML and CSS programming languages. You have the strong problem solving skill and some solid understanding of key concepts of data structure and algorithms. And if you have a knowledge of Django and Python, so this is a plus point for you, right? So basically you have a clear understanding of programming concepts and some best practices or some mini projects regarding a particular domain. So you should also have an excellent communication skill, right? So firstly, just focus on your resume. Mention some projects and skills in that as per the company requirement. So through your resume, try to convince them that you are a good fitted for this role. So mention all the experiences, skills, some HTML and CSS mini projects or different participations in different technical activities. So mention all those things in your resume. So this is a completely a remote job. So for apply purpose, you should send your resume, your interest for the particular position and relevant experience on this email ID. So they directly give a particular email ID and send your resume on this email ID. So basically Django, HTML, CSS, React.js and React Native, these skills are required. Now who can apply? So you are available for work from home job and internship. You can start your internship between July 24 to August 28. Okay. So from the date to duration 3 months. You have all the relevant skill and interest. And after completing this internship, you will get a certificate, letter of recommendation, and this internship is required flexible work hour. Okay. And also they will provide the job offer. So after successful completion of internship, candidate expect the salary of 6 lakh to 8 lakh per year job offer. So number of opening is 3. So if you are interested in software development domain, so apply for this internship as early as possible. They will also provide the information regarding step out. So for apply purpose, you send your resume on this mail ID or just click on apply now. um, just log in this account through your email and password and fill up all the required application form. So if you are have a relevant skill and interest, please apply for this internship. This is a golden opportunity for you. Thank you. Keep learning.